Today, I'll show you how to connect OpenArt to Claude. First, head to the OpenArt MCP page. The link is in the description. Near the top, you'll see one server link, the MCP URL. Hit copy URL to grab it. While you're here, notice the quick guide on the page. It walks you through 3 steps, and it even has a Claude tab, which is exactly what we're doing. Head over to Claude, open your settings, and go to the Customize area. On the left, click Connectors. This is where all your apps and tools live. Next, click the plus button at the top and choose Add Custom Connector. A small window pops up. In the name field, type something clear, like OpenArt MCP. Then paste the link you copied into the remote MCP server URL box. You can leave the advanced settings alone. Click Add. OpenArt MCP shows up in your connectors list, but it's not linked yet. Click Connect. A sign-in screen comes up and asks to connect Claude to your OpenArt account. Check that it's the right account. Then click Allow Access. Give it a second to authorize, and that's it. You'll see a little Connected to OpenArt MCP message, and OpenArt now sits right next to your other connectors. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.